Hello and welcome back to my Smarty Peeps YouTube channel. We'll be discussing the Ticwatch C2 smartwatch today. With all the capabilities this watch has, you can track your daily activities, stay connected, and more. Let's start the video. The Ticwatch C2 is a sleek and stylish smartwatch that runs on Google's Wear OS operating system. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, so no matter what smartphone you use, you'll be able to take full advantage of this watch's features. The Ticwatch C2 smartwatch's style is among the first features you'll notice. It has a 1.3-inch circular AMOLED display that is bright and legible even in strong sunlight. The stainless steel smartwatch casing is offered in onyx black and platinum colors. Because the smartwatch band is removable, you may quickly swap it out to suit your preferences. Let's now discuss the features that define the Ticwatch C2 smartwatch from other smartwatches. It features built-in GPS, so you can track your runs and walks without bringing your phone with you. In order to track your fitness throughout the day, it also features a heart rate monitor. The smartwatch's NFC capabilities, you may use Google Pay to make purchases directly from your wrist. Additionally, you can ask the smartwatch to play music, create reminders, or even locate a nearby restaurant thanks to Google Assistant's built-in features. The Ticwatch C2 smartwatch delivers on its performance promises. It contains 4 GB of storage, 512 MB of RAM, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 2100 processor. As a result, using many programs concurrently won't cause any kind of latency or slowdown. Additionally, you won't have to worry about charging the watch continually because it has a battery life of up to 2 days. When it does require charging, it has a magnetic dock that makes charging it up simple. That is our brief introduction of the Ticwatch C2 smartwatch. It's a fantastic option for anyone seeking for a high-quality smartwatch thanks to its beautiful design, robust features, and long battery life. It is kind of a cheap and attractive deal compared to other fancy expensive smartwatches that are currently on the market. Thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting the Smarty Peeps YouTube channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the section for comments.